Universal Studios Tour, the crown.
Hi everybody, Captain Sky.
All these technical components. Where are we right now? It looks like some kind of subway metro stop set. Oh, it says welcome to San Francisco back there. Maybe it's for art for any of you Northern California friends of ours out there. Looks like they got the director's monitor and chair with the megaphone, of course. You got to bark over all the people and actors. They got hair and makeup down here. Cool. Ooh, is that crafty? You work up quite an appetite. Apples, those muffins. I can go for a muffin! It's California, we get tremors, just chill out. Oh gosh! Freak out, folks! This is the big one! Give me a second here. Hey, George, get out of the water, buddy. There's a shark right there. By the way, George, nicest guy. He actually runs a trivia event that I go to on Tuesdays. Here's some fun trivia. Being a diver takes a lot of guts. Wow, okay. That was truly traumatizing. I guess I just lost my friend George, but hey, we've all gained these barrels of gasoline. Cool.
Glasses lagana चाहिए
goes Outrigger.
Time for my favorite part of the tour, weather. When it comes to film and TV, it is truly a special effect. In fact, to demonstrate how weather effects are created, we debut our first major attraction here on the studio.
Thunder, the lightning, and of course, the literal flash flood. Of course, that flash flood is created using thousands of gallons of recycled water, pumped and collected in tanks at the top of the hill, sent rushing down for your enjoyment. Now, as we pull further here,
Much better on the tour than it did in the Atlantic Ocean in 1974.
boy, do I believe it, Steve. Now, speaking of Spielberg, we go from Amity and Jaws to one of the most impressive sets still standing in Hollywood, the plane crash from Steven Spielberg's Dinosaurs.
Because it's just something you don't see.
And we go from one cinematic master with Steven Spielberg to another, Alfred Hitchcock.
I'd like to tell you about Universal Studios Tour. They have sense.
Who is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Cover them up. We're still going faster. Marvin, ready, hook them up.
Don't think you're getting away!
Way to go, Letty. Drop on another missile shot. Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got you. Don't shoot that on the bridge. Under construction. Hit the nitrous. Ride or die.
For a while. Brought you in our secret spot.
Alright, look guys, we're gonna keep sharp and finding you. To keep you safe, we need your help. We don't want the syndicate tracking us here, so put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash or whatever ringtone comes. Okay, call it to the next man.
Alright, we're gonna check out this race day after party.
Everybody out! This is the FBI! Turn that music off!
This is what we're doing. This is the race day after party, and where the other? Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move. Bill, that's right, party's over. You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not. You're under arrest right now. Ladies, just back up a little bit. I got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you. Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Hobbs, escort this novice out. Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
Sure, traced us. Ops can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.